First up, we cut across to breaking news coming in. King Charles has spoken out on Andrew's arrest. He has gone on to say, and I quote, law must take its own course. King Charles has said that full, fair and proper process that will be followed. He also added that the authorities have our support and cooperation. The former prince who has been accused of misconduct in public office, and this is in connection with the Epstein files, that King Charles has now gone on to support the move that has been taken against Andrew after he has been arrested. King Charles saying that the law must take its own course, and like any other case, this case should be treated as fairly as the law must take its course. He said that full, fair and proper process that must be followed. King Charles also adding that the authorities have our support and cooperation, and the former prince who's been accused of misconduct in public office must have due action taken against him as the law deems. Pranay Upadhyay will join us shortly to take us through the details of what has now been said by King Charles. Remember, this is a big statement that has come in as Andrew has been arrested, and after his arrest, King Charles now adding that this case should be treated like any other. The law must take its course and it should not be different for anyone. He's gone on to reiterate and put out that message very strongly to say that full, fair and proper process must be followed. King Charles adding that the authorities fully have our support and cooperation, and action must be taken as deemed fit according to the law. The former prince, I beg your pardon. All right. Pranay Upadhyay will join us shortly to take us through the details, but the former prince who's been accused of misconduct in public office, you would remember that picture and what has come in through those redacted files of Prince Andrew's association with Epstein. And now King Charles saying that the law must take its course. Let me take this to Pranay, who's now live with us on the broadcast. Pranay, big messaging coming in from King Charles to how this case must move forward, also reiterating for one and all that the law is the same and there should be no preferential treatment.
Absolutely, Suresha. This is very much on the expected lines, because we have seen the kind of statement coming from the Kensington Palace, Prince William and Princess Kate. Besides that, now King Charles have also come out with a statement clearly distancing from the conduct of Prince Andrew, and clearly that the royalty of UK was under pressure after the way the details about the Epstein file and the involvement of Prince Andrew came to surface, and after that the royalty wanted to distance from these allegations and their involvement. But clearly this is a big fall for Prince Andrew, the way the kind of correspondence has come in to surface, and the Thames Valley Police Station has registered a case. Prince Andrew and his premises are under investigation, and this is not only about the misconduct and at a public office, but this is also about the involvement of the human trafficking aspect of it, and in fact these are the very serious allegations which has come to surface after the Department of Justice of the United States have released these documents, and further tranche of documents are still expected, because this is around 300 GB data which was confiscated and confiscated by the US police authorities while they were investigating Jeffrey Epstein. And in fact, if you see the very many big names came to surface and appeared in these Jeffrey Epstein files and the Jeffrey Epstein documents, but so far this is the biggest name or the biggest fall which is coming from the United Kingdom. And this may put pressure on various other names as well, those whose name appeared in these Jeffrey Epstein files. But clearly, the statement coming from the UK Prime Minister clearly indicating that no one is above the law, and also a statement coming from Prince Charles clearly saying that that no one is above law and law will take its own due course. So clearly, the royalty trying to distance themselves from here and about the personal conduct of Prince Andrew. And besides that, the UK police has already started their investigation in the case.